Where's my keys? Hello? I'm home. Made it back a week ago. About a week ago. Let's go walk around this car. I'm gonna show you guys. I don't think I've shown you guys yet, but this is the car I picked up about 9 months ago. It's been sitting here. So when I got it, it was trashed. Cleaned it up yesterday. Added some parts, but the car is pretty much stock, like a Blake Canvas, like 110% stock. It was. I'm gonna show you guys right now. So, pretty much, look how trash this is. The seat didn't even really want to roll back. So look at that. But for a 22-year-old car, I guess it ain't so bad. I mean, at least you got floor mats on there. Back seats are trash. And I think that's like some type of mold or something. But yeah, I pretty much cleaned it up yesterday. I didn't really. Well, I forgot to do the cup holders. The climate control. I know I don't have one right now because I took it off, shipped it to Italy, and I have another one coming in. But yeah, let me show you guys this. Damn, that's as far back as it goes. So I do have the OEM hair unit, and boom, look at this. And it does work, but my speakers aren't working. Like, let's see. So, power on. It's really dim, but you can hear it, but I don't have any CDs in there, so I'm trying to find a CD and put one in and see if it'll work. But when I do hit the radio, FM, I turn on like the volume. Nothing. I don't know if the speakers are out or if he even have speakers in here. I haven't really checked, or if there's like a fuse blown or something. I haven't really checked. I've only got this. I bought this car 9 months ago. I've only seen it. I picked it up Sunday. Today's Friday, so Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So 6 days. Today's the 6th day that I've gotten this car. So when I found out that without this switch, the turn signal does not work. And I had to go to the junkyard and pick one up. They charged me 21 bucks for this. I'm like, man, that's expensive. But my first mod, I don't know if you guys seen it when I came in, but this is my first mod. It's pretty small. Look my palm, and my hand, and the shift knob. But it feels pretty good. Picked it up for 80 bucks. I got it off of this guy on Instagram. Follow him. I think is IDT_Fresno. So he sells a lot of JDM parts, a lot of rare parts. Mugen, Spoon, you name it. He has a lot of old school stuff. But check him out. I got it through him, and I think I'm gonna be seeing him next week. So I'm gonna head down to Fresno, check his spot out. I don't think he has a store. I think it's just like out of his garage or out of his warehouse or something like that. But yeah, I've never met the guy. Just worked with him, not worked with him, but linked up with him through Instagram. So I'll put his Instagram down below, so you guys make sure to check his page out. You know, maybe you'll find something to help you guys with your own build. But let me pop the hood. I should have shown you guys. So this is broken. So I had to use pliers to open it. So alright, I'm gonna give you guys a walk around. Oof. Excuse me, just had breakfast. Alright, we'll start off in the front. So just another walk around like I did with my last hatch. So I know it's all beat up. Nothing, not really clean. The paint is like really faded. See the clear coat and all that's coming off. These are not the original headlights I came with. The one that it originally came with, I took it off. I had my wife take it off a couple months ago. It got shipped to Italy, and I'm waiting for the one off my VTI to come in. So in July, my headlight should be coming in. So yeah, so it'll be a lot clearer and way better than that. This bumper is trash. So the first thing I did with it, I got I know it's a rep SIR lip. It's the only thing that's gonna be rep probably on my car, and maybe a wing if I do decide to get one. But it doesn't. It's just okay. You know, like from a distance, it looks pretty flush, but they are like minor gaps. Like right here, you can tell there's a gap. So, but only 30 bucks, it fits pretty well. You know, it bolts under. I gotta fix that, and I gotta fix this. So, the grill is trash. See, more clear coat, paint fade. The plastics are like really faded. They're not even black anymore. So yeah, it looks off. That's gonna get all replaced. The mirror's gonna get replaced. The antenna, it's all messed up. So that's gonna get removed. Stock height, everything's stock on it, but it rides pretty smooth. Haven't given me an issue. This rear bumper, surprisingly, it's in really great condition. Like no dents. Like a baby ding right there, but you can't even really tell. A little scuff mark, but like there's no cracks on the bumper. It's pretty good. Ooh, I didn't see this. Okay. It is a DX. So no power steering, no AC. But trust me, guys, give me to July once my parts come in. I'll be doing a lot of parts exchange, so I'll be changing over a lot of stuff. So yeah, like full interior is getting swapped. Front bumper, rear bumper is getting swapped. Fender's getting swapped. Yeah, and some other stuff. So anyway, when I bought yesterday, I was cleaning the car. They had the rubber grommet right here, or whatever. So make sure you guys take this off, because if you guys don't, this is where a lot of rust start to build up. Like every time when it's wet or whatnot, the water seeps in the rubber and it stays in there, so it's moist most of the time. That's how you create like rust spots and stuff like that in your quarter panel. So be sure to take that off. So yeah. God. So, like I said, it's a DX. It's D16Y7. Everything is stopped, like everything. When I picked up the car Sunday, the battery was dead. So, you know, I thought it just needed a charge, but the battery was really swollen. And when I tried to jump it, I guess I popped the fuse. It was I had popped this fuse. It's a battery fuse. So if this is popped, there's no power go through your car. Nothing, no headlights, no dome light, no light at all. Nothing will work. So make sure if the battery is good, not the battery, but the fuse here is good. So yeah, pretty much. Whenever I have time, I'll clean everything out. Spray this. Nah, probably wipe everything out. I don't think you need to spray. Ooh, look at this. I'll take that off. So yeah, so you guys already seen two mods, which was the shift knob and the SIR rep lip. So I also got some LED headlight bulbs. So let me show you guys. So right here, these are the C9 LED bulbs. So I was watching Zosh. I was watching his video, and I guess he did like a review on his on his LED light bulb. I guess it was for the Ruckus or something like that, his Ruckus, but he had them on there, the C9, or they sent him the wrong one or something like that, but it was on one of his videos. So I seen that, I'm like, oh, you know what, let me try it out. I've only driven it once at night, which was last night, and it's pretty good. It's pretty clear. It's better than what I was ever used to or ever had. So yeah, LED, yeah, thumbs up. Thanks, Zosh. So you guys already know, I used to live in Italy. I'll put the hood down. I used to live out in Italy. Just moved back a week ago. I'm back for good. Sold a hatch out there. Got this hatch. I'm currently living in the Bay. So all you guys are from the Bay, or yeah, all you guys are in the Bay. You know, if you guys know any good spots to pick up parts and whatnot, good shops, let me know. That'd be pretty dope. Yeah. Alright, so plans for this build. You guys already have a good idea how I want to build or what I'm going to do to it. If you guys seen my previous video, you guys know, and I've been collecting parts out in Italy. Unfortunately, let me wipe the camera. It's kind of greasy. So unfortunately, I couldn't bring it with me when I was moving out here. So everything had to get shipped, everything had to get packed, and that won't get here. My whole everything that got shipped and packed won't get here until probably July. So I'll try to update you guys with the hatch as much as I can. I should have shown you guys my reaction video when I first picked up the car. Like literally, this car was trash, like super trash. This guy, so he was the first owner. I'm the second owner. When he had it, I don't think he ever cleaned the car out. Like there was like, look at that. You guys just kind of see in here. I didn't really get into there, but that was trash. Like everything that was on the carpet. Like it had like this curry powder looking thing on there. It was trash. So I didn't wipe it down so you guys can kind of see how dirty it was. And then let me show you guys this. So I forgot to clean that out. So there's trash in there too. But yeah, so like you guys already kind of know what my plans are for this car. Been collecting parts, so I think first thing I'm gonna do once everything gets here is swap out the interior. I really don't feel comfortable having people in here. It's dirty, it's grimy. I just feel bad for everybody. Like, look how stained that is. Look at how like nasty these seats are. You know, the carpet is nasty, so I'll be swapping these carpet out too. The headliner, it's okay. I've seen like worse, but it's pretty trash. I know I said the word trash like 50 times already, but it really is. So I'll end up swapping the whole interior out first thing, just so that way it'd be a lot cleaner, it'd be more comfortable to sit in, and I won't feel so bad when people are in my car. Yeah, and then yeah, then I'll end up swapping some other parts out. You guys gonna have to wait to see that. I know 2 months. Today is June, actually next month, so like maybe a month and a half I'll end up getting there again. So today is June 1st. So yeah, but alright, you guys, stay tuned. A lot of parts coming in, a lot of content from now till forever. I know paint is definitely gonna be coming in. I'll for sure check this car out, get it painted this year. That's my goal, to have the car painted before New Year's 2019. But yeah, a lot of stuff going down this year. So if you guys from the Bay Area, hit me up, let me know what's going on. Fill me in on any events, car shows, meet and whatnot. Yeah, so I know I've been bugging Christian from Honda Vlogs, and I've been telling him, hey look, I'm coming out this summer. So Christian, if you're watching this, let everybody know I'm coming out this summer. Hot build, maybe not even hot, I don't know, but just a lot of content coming out, so a lot of shit going on. So you guys stay with that, follow, like, subscribe.